Hello, welcome back to the channel. I know you probably thought you got rid of me for at least a week, but a little surprise video. But anyway, the reason why I'm posting tonight is at the moment I'm seeing a lot of winter protection videos that they're all missing one vital thing, and is understanding trees in themselves. Okay, so I've got this old clip that is about to come up. It is from Instagram. It's been dodgily converted to suit the video format, but the points I make in that still stand, and here it is.
In some parts of the world, trees are subjected to temperatures of -10 degrees Celsius and below in the winter, but usually their roots are well below ground level and therefore protected from freezing temperatures and have no trouble with coping. However, when a tree is in a bonsai pot, especially a shallow one, it does not have that protection. The roots are vulnerable to the cold, whilst the top half is able to withstand the harsher elements of winter. It is usually recommended to use a cold frame if temperatures are going below -10 Celsius. A cold frame helps with fluctuations in temperatures during the day and big drops in temperatures during the night. It also offers wind protection and prevents the wind from drying out a tree. If you have no shelter available, you can also use things like styrofoam around the pots for cold protection. However, in milder climates such as where I am, covering the pots or using cold frames are not really required, as the temperature rarely drops below -4. However, I would still highly recommend protecting the trees from cold winds as much as possible and watering the soil if it begins to dry out. Keep in mind that when a tree gathers energy or starch to store for its dormancy, it is not only the roots where it's stored, but also in the living xylem, the wood in branches and stems, and the trunk. Any dieback of the fine feeder roots will grow back when the temperature starts to rise in spring. Understanding all of this is a fundamental for the care of my trees. Winter bonsai is all about knowing the location, climate, and how this impacts the care needed.
We're back to present time again. I hope you enjoyed that little clip. That was from Instagram. If you don't know, Instagram was my main uploader to social media for the last couple of years. So if you want to catch up on a lot of stuff, you can always head on to over there. But YouTube's now my main one. If you want any more tips on winter protection, if you're more on the paranoid side about it. Not saying you're paranoid, I shouldn't have said that, I do apologise. But if you need winter protection, then head on over to DR's Bonsai channel. I'll put a little thing up here, okay, and he's got a perfect video on how to do winter protection. Now, the point I was making in the previous clip, should I say, is that you don't really need it depending on where you are on most trees. Obviously, if you've got a tropical tree like a ficus and it's down to -2, get it indoors. What are you doing? Okay? But most trees can handle down to -10. Roots don't get affected until, well, start feeling it. Roots, you know, you don't start feeling it until they're around -20. Even if this soil in here is rock hard, isn't going to hurt the roots. What actually happens is the cold winds will hurt your tree a lot more than a bit of frost. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment, like and subscribe, and leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Have a good one.